pylon races, do you think we'll lose them?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Club 2000s.
Yeah, proper classified ones.
130 mile an hour. I'm quick. Right.
Give that a quick testy. Can you give that a quick go, Mark?
Yeah.
I think it's all over.
It is now. It is.
Well, will we get in the air, will we?
That's a lot of motor and not a lot of aeroplane.
4 cell as well.
4 cells with about a 40 on there.
Yeah.
40 tune line for that. We are looking at 130 plus, I would say.
We've got the stopwatch.
See if the video camera can keep up with it.
Not with
Give
me
it a
on the
try.
other end of it. Not with me on the other end of
Give
it.
it a try.
My first day out with this camera as well.
All right.
And my fingers are cold, it's shaking all over the place.
You got that, did you?
Yep. After a fashion.
Hi gang, I'm going to put that on YouTube.
What were you flying? What is it?
That's a Spitfire with a 3000cc engine in it, and it does 6,000 mile an hour.
I knew all that, I could tell by looking at it.
Okay, it's a Tutor 40 with a, what was it, with a GP 42 engine in it.
And a 10 mile an hour wind.
And a, yeah, 300 mile an hour wind. No, 10 miles. 10 miles, yeah. Yeah, cut out that last bit. Up the government, right up. I hate Cameron, put that down.
What's the transmitter you're actually using now?
It's a DX. DX6i, yes.
Don't take your eyes off the model.
DX5. Oh, that was very quick. Actually, with squinty eyes like mine, I should have gone on.
The Ben Turpin.
No.
I used to get on a bus on the way to work in the morning, Ben Turpin,
Yeah.
and he would say, "Name's Ben Turpin, earn $10,000 a week." Very nice, very nice.
But more wind buffeting near the ground. Or is that some with the trees?
Those trees have got a lot to answer for.
Was the simple answer to that?
flown this in Bromley Park.
Really?
You know Bromley?
Yeah, yeah,
Bromley Park?
yeah.
Trees, high trees all three sides, a railway line at the back, shopping centre further up.
And you're still a free man. Just ignore me if you know, if you need to. How often do you come down here, Paul?
3 times a week. I used to come down a lot more, but about 3-4 times a week. I'm flying this glider, which is very relaxing on my tutor. Got a Messerschmitt I've got to fly. One of those Cambrian models, fun fighter things. Got a Mitsubishi Zero that's quite big, but I had a couple of accidents with that.
All that's to the fun?
All that's to the fun. Got a few other aircraft like a slow stick, Tiger Moth. My son's got a Eurofighter, and he's got a Cessna 337, which has got two 8cc engines, 9cc.
Yeah.
Right.
Two 46s, which are Daisy.
Don't let me disturb you.
Where I go, Charlie?
That's all right, Paul, my bloody hands are cold.
Well, warm them up with your nuts.
What? They're like bloody walnuts, they shrunk, mate.
I've only started seriously getting into it. I only got the confidence up about a year ago. I learned on a slow stick, and then this, believe it or not, is probably one of the oldest aircraft I've got. I've had it for about 4 years plus. But this gave me a bit of confidence, but I was lacking terribly. But what gave me the confidence was the old antidepressant pills. That's true, actually.
So this coming down here has done you a lot of good, actually.
Oh yeah, it gave me, because I was going through a difficult time with job-wise. I lost my job. And this sort of gave me a little bit of confidence.
Yeah.
Talking to seagulls.
But do you know, I hate the Conservative government.
As you can hear, it's pretty windy here today. Paul's just flown my Cub. How did you find it?
Exciting. Yes, it's a bit lighter than the wind would like it to be.
Okay. 7 years or so. Cheapo foamy, still flying. With a new coat of poster paint, brushless motor.
Calls of some political debate on white heat.
No, I just say because it gets on film. That's right.
Make a gold record.
I hate cameras.
Enough.
No religion, no politics, folks. What's this then?
It's a Wilga.
Hobby key.
Reasonably bouncy.
How's that? Splendid.
Right, it's a 1.4 wingspan Spitfire from FMS. I think it's a Mark 6, I think. All ready to fly almost.
And you've flown it a few times.
I've flown it a few times, yeah.
Happy with it?
Yes, yes. No, centre of gravity seems to be further forward than they say. Apart from that, it seems to fly quite well. It's fairly strong. Undercarriages, I'm impressed with it. It's quite strong. No, nothing to do to it. You just turn it on and away you go.
No, I'm not a Jonah, it'll be alright. Do you mind, seriously? You okay with me taking snaps?
Yeah.
Right. Do you want me to hold it down?
Should be alright. Oh, the grass, isn't it? How short the grass?
Yeah.
You just turn it on and away you go. Yeah, it might be worth a go. You
Okay.
hold it down for me.
Will do. Just tell me when to let go.
If you hold the
you
back
want-
of the fuselage
Okay.
and give it a
Yeah.
push and I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Lovely, over the pits, alright.
Really want to.
So it's loose wires and a receiver.
It
Loose
would
plugs.
seem to be. Put it this way, it's on the likely side.
Bit 5 at 9 o'clock.
There you go. Lighters.
You could do a session on this on the club's flight school.
I'm not. Look at that now. And all we'll need is a little bit of the old magic tape, what you've got, just to secure the flap. And there we go. We have control.
Tape's over there.
Now then. It's just so we don't get it peeling back the jolly old cockpit. And there we have it. The cockpit has an inspection hatch.
And now it will fly.
Well, yes and no.
But mostly.
Possibly. Let's just see who I have a message from here. It could be vital. Could
Oh,
be air
God.
traffic control.
House burnt down.
Wife, Vic the aerial man is going to Emily's later. Jolly good. Right, got it. Vic the aerial man, yes. You quit while you're ahead.
Yeah.
Yes.
So times I'll just have one more flight.
Unlike the foolish people like myself, who this thing is telling me today that it really shouldn't be flying.
You still carry on though, don't you?
Let's
I've
see
done
what
that
happens.
before. One more flight. Something happens.
I think this Hellcat has got a bit of a self-destructive kind
Yeah.
of an urge, actually.
I've got something made along the lines of this that was pulled now. That's when it's pylon racers.
Oh yeah.
2-cell battery.
2-cell battery, 1300 milliamp.
What's the plane?
ding dong. It's a Wilga 2000. I think we did this the other week, Steve.
I think we probably did, but we're doing
Comes
it
from
again.
Hobby King.
Oh yeah.
Comes complete.
You're going to come round and do a nice loop
complete
again.
with servos and ESCs, but it doesn't come with a radio.
Nice towards the camera, lovely.
So we've got the 2.4 Spectrum receiver in there. And it's actually a nice little plane because it flies at all sorts of speeds.
It does.
And that was with
Evidently.
the drop stop, as you noticed.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too
Just
close.
showing off there.
Yeah, this is when you come unstuck easily, isn't it? That's it. There you go. Put it where you can actually see it. Whoops, not quite where I wanted it there, but nearly. Gave the pilot a headache, apart from that.
I can't forget it. If I'm a man, I'd let you go.
What was that then?
Well, one of them looks like they shouldn't fly, and they come from another planet. And that's the second time he's been round. I think they're looking for me. No, must get paranoid, eh? Yeah! Yeah!
Don't put that on.
Yeah, 'cause I was going to say, just an one. I'll cut that bit.